Welcome, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I will show you what to do if your smartphone doesn't recognize your lock screen pattern. In case you forgot your lock screen pattern, the best decision would be to reach out to REALME customer support service and tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them by, for example, showing them a receipt from the store where you bought this phone, they will most likely be able to help you out with your problem and will help you regain access to your phone without removing any personal data from it. But in case this option isn't available for you, then the other way to bypass this pattern is by performing a factory reset operation, and you can do this in two ways. If you have a Google account set up on this smartphone and linked to this smartphone, basically what you have to do is use any other device with internet connection to enter the Find Hub service, which you can find in any on the internet. So just open any web browser and search for the Find Hub website by Google, and once you find it, enter it. Then after that, you're gonna have to sign into your Google account that is linked with your REALME, and open the devices list by tapping right here or by going to devices on your PC. Now then just find your device on the list of devices and select and perform the factory reset operation on it by either selecting factory reset operation on the actions list, or by tapping the gear icon to open settings and perform factory reset operation using this website. Once the factory reset operation is performed, you'll be able to regain access to your device once again and set it up as a new smartphone. The other way to perform a factory reset operation on your device is by entering the recovery mode and performing the factory reset operation through recovery mode. I'm not gonna show you how to do this in this video, but if you need some help on your way, and if you don't want to do any mistakes, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on this exact model. So if you need that video, go ahead and check it out. Now, the last thing I want to mention in this video is one possibility that you do remember your lock screen pattern, but your phone still cannot recognize it and won't let you through. In such case, maybe there is a third-party application affecting the way your lock screen behaves, and then in such situation you're gonna have to enter the safe mode to try to enter your lock screen in safe mode and see if this way your phone accepts your lock screen, your screen lock pattern. To enter the safe mode, you have to press and hold the power button and the volume up key at the same time, like this, until you see this screen, and then just swipe the circle to the top to select restart. Wait until your device turns off, and once your device turns on and you see the REALME logo on your screen, you can start holding down the volume down button. So at this point, start holding down the volume down button, and then wait until your phone vibrates. Once your phone vibrates, you can remove your finger from the volume down key, and just wait until it boots up into safe mode. Okay, so let's remove the finger, and then once your device enters the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now try to unlock your device once again by entering the lock screen pattern, and just in case you succeed, you have to enter Settings app on your phone, and in Settings Okay, let's wait for this phone to start. Okay, so it seems that on my exact model this safe mode doesn't work very well, but anyway, you can just swipe down the control center twice and select the gear icon at the top to enter settings. Now in settings you have to find and open security and privacy section, then go to device unlock, then select screen lock, enter your current screen lock once again, and then select none to remove it, click delete. And after that you can restart your phone normally by holding down the power button and the volume up key. At the same time, select restart and then just wait until your device switches off and reboots into the normal mode. After that you'll be able to regain access to your device effortlessly. So that's basically it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.